Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Ninja Tech. Today we will learn how to check or obtain the list of all the software installed in Linux or in Centos 7. First of all, you have to open the terminal in your virtual machine. First of all, I'm going to open the terminal. After opening the terminal, you have to go into the root directory. For going in the root directory, you have to write the command su. Su means switch user. So you can write su. Now it is asking for the password, so you have to enter your root password. I'm going to enter the root password. Now I am in the root directory. Now to obtain the list of all the softwares installed in your CentOS 7, you have to write that command. You can see that after running that command, we have the list of all the software installed in our CentOS 7. So you can see the list of all the softwares. Thank you so much for watching.